Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight on a 2017 Honda CRV. Start out by removing these two Phillips screws that are underneath the liftgate. And then pull out on the top of the taillight until you hear the clip give out. And then with one hand, pull out on the top, and with the other, use the palm of your hand and strike the taillight in a backwards motion. And it pops right out. Now if you're doing this to change out a bulb, just grab onto the socket and turn it counterclockwise and the socket will come right out, and from there you can change the bulb. If you're just trying to take the taillight out, then you can just remove all the plugs by pushing on the tab and pulling out. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.